If you're an introverted guy, you have a natural mystery that can attract people. Even if you don't realize it, those around you might actually be interested in you. However, they often think, what if he doesn't want to talk to me? In this video, I'm going to talk about how to use your natural strengths to become the most attractive guy you can be. The key point to becoming an attractive introvert is social skills and confidence. In a previous video, I talked about how to develop social skills. You can watch that video by clicking on the card above. Many introverts tend to be proud and try to stay away from things they don't need. These traits can only be useful if you can behave in a way that doesn't make confident people uncomfortable. This means smiling with others, complimenting people, and doing similar things. There is a big difference between being a quiet person and being socially awkward. Confident introverts are seen by others as mysterious, sexy, and mentally mature. On the other hand, introverts without confidence are seen as unattractive, childish, and proud. Black cat boys are quiet but very attractive guys. Only those close to them know who they really are because they are very quiet. Characters like Tommy Shelby, Batman, and James Bond, as well as anime characters like Sasuke and Guts, can be considered black cat boys. They are mysterious, powerful, and complex characters who don't talk much and don't share personal matters more than necessary. This doesn't mean they are unattractive. Instead, they draw others to them like a magnet. Black cat boys are not always available to everyone. When they believe in something or want something, they will undoubtedly pursue it. They are thinkers as well as executors. Remember, this doesn't mean you need to change who you are. If you're an introvert, by properly using the strengths you already have, you can develop a personality like this. By doing so, you can attract others without saying a word. Good luck!